Yes, and someone's asking in the comments, absolutely, people on eBay are selling empty boxes. It's no food over there. Instagram announced a new feature, a new shopping section for product drops. So people are increasingly, influencers have their brands and their products, and everything is in the form of drops now, Will. I mean, I guess this was even, could you call that McDonald's BTS thing a drop?
Sure you can.
You could, couldn't you?
With the X collab?
You probably could, couldn't you? I mean, I feel like you can put that word on anything these days. There used to be a ride at Canada's Wonderland called Drop Zone. I think it's still there, actually.
Yeah.
That was the drop when I was a child.
That's a real drop.
It is a real drop. Yeah. Anyway, so everything's dropping these days. And Instagram's trying to make it easier for you, the person purchasing the drop, and for the individual or company that's launching the drop to do everything within Instagram. So you can see, here's an example, collaboration with Sephora. You have that Nocta, which is Drake's collaboration with Nike recently. Some of the earliest ones to take advantage of this thing, but the main compelling aspect is that you can fully transact inside of Instagram, and currently Instagram's taking no fees for it. So the individual can essentially just click a few buttons and they've purchased it. They don't have to go to the retailer's site. So it's kind of a big move. I know YouTube is working on something similar, but it's really removing friction in the shopping experience, a futuristic kind of way, where an influencer could put an Instagram post and you can just buy right on it for the drop. But it looks like you can also go to the drop section and actually do some discovery and just browse around if you feel like shopping as well, the way it's laid out. At launch, some of the drops available include today's Drake X Nocta Cardinal Stock collection and upcoming drops like Ren plus Glory hand-painted summer collection and Charlotte Tilbury exclusive Pillow Talk Lips and Dreams lashes kit.
Wow.
Yeah, you better put a little marker on that one, Will.
A handful.
5 total drops. I don't know. Can you set notifications for the drops? Everybody wants in on the drops. Instagram wants in on the drops.